Hi, my name is Matt Moore and I own Easy Auto Spa, and we specialize in hail damage on cars. If your vehicle was involved in one of the recent hailstorms, we are here to help. The process of getting your hail repaired is fairly simple, but we're going to walk through that today. First things first, you're going to contact your insurance and you're going to let them know that your vehicle was involved in a recent hailstorm, giving them the approximate date. Your insurance company is going to come out and do an initial assessment of the damage. This is generally just a placeholder, and it might not be completely accurate, but they are going to give you an estimate and a possible number for the repair price. Once that assessment's done, you can then choose the shop for the actual repair. If you bring it to one of our shops, we will do a complete assessment of every single dent and ding that we find, and even if it's different than the initial estimate from the insurance, that's no problem at all. It's our job to communicate that directly to the insurance. Once we've assessed the damage and the insurance company and the shop are on the same page about what it's going to take to get your vehicle looking perfect, then we disassemble the car. We diagnose every single part that's damaged. We order parts that need to be replaced using OEM, that's manufacturer's parts, for replacements. And then we're going to label and put all the parts that we take off the vehicle to the side. Once the vehicle has been completely disassembled, our expert paintless dent repair technicians will begin the process of removing each and every single one of the dents caused by the hailstorm. This process takes generally 1 to 3 business days, but that can vary in length depending on the severity of the damage. Once the repairs have actually been completed on your vehicle, we'll go through the process of reassembling all the parts that we took off for the repair, as well as any replacement parts that we ordered for your vehicle. Once your vehicle is completely reassembled, we'll do a full quality control inspection. This is where we're going to make sure that no dents were missed, but it's also where we're going to do a full diagnostic scan on the vehicle to make sure your computer and all the electronic components of your vehicle are functioning properly. Once this is complete, it's basically time at this point to give it a wash, give it a bath, bring it around front, and give you a call that your car is now hail-free and ready to be taken home. If you have any questions about the process or any questions about your specific hailstorm experience, feel free to give us a call, stop by one of our shops, or visit us online. We're here to help. We'd love to help assist you in any way through this whole process. Thanks so much. Have an awesome day.